What are you working on, Jeremy? Hi. Hi. Yeah? Can you come and get this? Can you come and work on this toy? Jeremy. Hi. Hi. Come on. Come and get this one. I'm going to take your lion toy away. Can you get it? Can you get it? Jeremy's getting his top teeth coming in, the top front teeth getting in, and he's grinding them together, the bottom and the top. You gonna get it? You gonna get this camera? Oh, it's so... Come on. Come on. Come and get your lion. Come and get your lion. Jeremy. Now you found your drawstring. Come and get the lion. Come and get it. Come and get it. or not. This is Jeremy at 7 months. Come on, baby boy. Come on, JJ. Come on. You can do it. There you go. Get it. Reach. Nice work. You did it. So much work. Okay, say bye-bye. Say bye-bye.